welcome to another episode of Supreme Decisions. And today I want to talk to you because I was sent a video actually a few weeks back in which it brought up a great cause of action for federal court, which is the Hobbs ACT. Most people have no idea what it is. I'm going to put it up over my shoulder. But what I want you to do is, while I'm going through this video, I'm going to ask a few questions. And in those questions, I'm going to have a few answers. But first, I'm going to allow you to watch the video. And then I'm going to point out just what violations that I saw just in the video, not talking about the entirety of the situation because we are not privy to that at this moment. But what I am going to talk about is what we are seeing and how it works, and how also not only the Hobbs Act, but the thing I talked about that fell under the United States taking clause was specifically asset forfeiture. But this is why the Hobbs Act is important for you. The Hobbs Act prohibits actual or attempted robbery or extortion affecting interstate or foreign commerce in any way or degree. Section 1951 also prescribes conspiracy to commit robbery or extortion without reference to the conspiracy statute of 18 U.S.C. 371. Now, we know for the most part, when we're talking about conspiracy that deals with two or more, we're talking about any other assets regarding robbery, because again, we understand a traffic infraction is just that. It is a contractual obligation, blah, 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 blah. Now, in the video, I'm going to break down what we will see and again, what violations that are there. So here we go.
What's good? I'm doing great,
right,
Mr. Traffic.
Walk to the front of my vehicle for me.
Hold on,
is this your truck?
Hold on. You just came up.
Is this your truck?
What I'm asking is, you just came up. This lady just called you.
Okay.
Okay, identify yourself, sir, Mr. Pleasanton.
Go walk in front of my vehicle, please.
Okay. Now, what's going on?
And I'll talk to you in front of my vehicle on camera.
Oh, okay. Well, good. We both will be on camera.
That's fine.
And don't touch me, please.
Recording. What's that?
I know. You don't have to mind me. This is my right.
Walk in front of my vehicle.
Okay, good.
You have any weapons on you?
Sir, don't touch me. I don't have nothing. I don't got.
I'm gonna
what
check
is going?
you for
You don't. I don't need. I'm not giving you consent to touch me. What are you touching me for?
Go ahead, send me that unit. Have them step it up.
Step what up?
Put your hands behind
This
your
guy.
back. Set that down.
Set it down.
Set that down.
What happened?
Put your hands behind your back.
Hold on. This guy's falsely arresting me.
You're not under arrest.
Okay, then what are you doing? You can't detain me because legally, if you put me in handcuffs, you're taking away. What are you detaining me for? What are you detaining me for?
For weapons,
I'm not giving you consent to check anything.
Have to.
Okay.
Your feet.
Hold on. I'm spreading my feet. Hey, get this on camera. He's trying to block it, but he's filming me for his deal. He's talking about it for his safety. I just spread my feet, man.
Spread your feet.
Hey, don't. Hey, listen. Do not do that to my leg. You're assaulted. Don't do that.
Be under arrest?
You arrest me for what?
I have one male detained, but he's still resisting.
Hey, I'm not resisting anything. Resisting what? Now I'm resisting arrest? Then why are you lying?
You're making this worse.
No, this lady just lied on me, and I got permission from my husband. Are you a husband, sir?
Now, before I go into the video breakdown, I want to talk about asset forfeiture, because asset forfeiture or asset seizure is a form of confiscation of assets by the state in the United States, and it is a type of criminal justice financial obligation. It's typically done to the alleged proceeds or instruments of a crime. Because remember when I did the video back then when we had the young Matt Damon there, I spoke about it must be part of the crime in order for them to take it, because there has to be a reason for them taking it. It also goes under the clauses of having the warrant, also having a judge sign off on it. But in this case, the reason why it falls under the Hobbs Act is what I'm getting ready to show you in this video. So let's go.
What's good? I'm doing great.
Right,
Mr. Traffic.
Walk to the front of my vehicle for me.
Is this
your truck?
Now I'm gonna stop it right there real quick. As you heard him state when he walked up, he immediately began giving instructions. But at that point, officer had not articulated a crime, so therefore it is a Fourth Amendment seizure to offer instructions. Now, is it a violation at this point? No, because he did not willfully go and he was not forced there. So there was no compliance at this point. And the asking of, is this your truck? This is the one of the things where you look at these small towns that use asset forfeiture as a means of revenue generation. Keep that in mind. Let's go.
Hold on. You just came up.
Is this your truck?
What I'm asking is, you just came up. This lady just called you.
Okay.
Now, again, I'm going to stop it one more time. If you're looking at this rather large-sized rig across the street while he's conducting his investigation, the great part about this is the fact that the tow truck company had received a call to come and do a tow or asset forfeiture, which was actually written on the paperwork that I had received. And the funniest thing about that was the fact that they hadn't articulated a crime. So how could a tow truck company, when an officer initially gets there to do an investigation, already be called prior to an actual crime being established?
Okay, identify yourself, sir, Mr. President.
Go walk in front of my vehicle, please.
Okay.
Now, if you noted, the person filming said, okay, identify yourself, please. Officer Vega did not articulate or give his name. So now, everything beyond this point itself is an illegal act because he was given a direct question which he did not comply with, which violated his fiduciary duty as well as his oath of office to work on the behalf of the people and to be amenable at all times. Let's go.
Now, what's going on?
And I'll talk to you in front of my vehicle on camera.
Oh, okay. Well, good. We both will be on camera.
That's fine.
Don't touch me, please.
I
I know. You don't have to mind me. This is my right. Okay, good.
Do you have any weapons on you?
Sir, don't touch me. I don't have nothing. I don't got.
I'm gonna
What is going on? I don't need. I'm not giving you consent to touch me.
Now, as you see, Officer Vega immediately goes, I'm checking you for weapons. Yet he has not pointed to, demonstrated, or articulated an area to which this person may or may not be armed. And he has yet to begin an investigation. So now he's placing him in handcuffs and a means by which violates this person's civil rights as well as becomes an illegal arrest. And I stated time after time after time again, an illegal act cannot precede a legal one.
What are you touching me for?
Go ahead and send me that unit. Have them step it up.
Step what up?
Put your hands behind
This
your back.
guy.
Set
This.
that down.
Set it down.
Set that down.
What happened?
Put your hands behind your back.
Hold on. This guy's.
Now, the one thing he did when he stated for them to put the phone down and stop recording was a simple and easy thing. Because now he's not obligated because of the compliance with a command. But to this point, nothing the officer has done has followed the guidelines of Terryville, Ohio, has followed the guidelines of any lawful act. And by the tow truck being there prior to an investigation, by subjecting this man to things beyond that, beyond the scope of law, it became an illegal arrest, to which now, because of him concealing, quote unquote, his identity, becomes a Hobbs Act, because he's placed into an arrest situation. He's then having his stuff taken. All of this without an actual crime being articulated or even being charged. Now, I'm going to give you follow-up as this story progresses, because I do know a few things about it, and I have been given permission to allow certain details to be out. And if you remember, in this video, the officer states that he too is recording in front of his vehicle.
Please.
Okay. Now what's going on?
And I'll talk to you in front of my vehicle on camera.
Oh, okay. Well, good.
That information has been requested, and they have yet to turn that information over. Also have been cited the young man for several charges. I believe it was 5 at the moment, but none of them have been given to the district attorney of Astacosta County, or however the hell you pronounce it. I'll put it over there. And at the end of the day, these are the people that we are told to trust. These are the people that we're being told are the good guys. But these are also the people that are withholding evidence. These are also the people that are making up crimes as they go. These are also the people that are not following law. So here's my question that I've asked a few other times before. If everything you're doing is correct, everything you're doing is lawful, why does one have to have multiple requests for information that pertains to them? Why does one have to, quote unquote, watch out because the police will hurt them? If everything you're doing is right, you should be eager to turn over the video to show your correct arrest. You should be eager to show people how good you are, because you are doing the right thing to keep them safe, to keep them protected, as well as nothing you're doing is illegal. So that's all I got for right now. Keep in mind, love you guys. Apple Pay, remember, Apple Pay, send your name along with it. Google Wallet, appreciate you, keep it coming. Cash App, that is the easiest way for me, and if you don't have it already, use my link and we both get paid. And finally, Venmo is just as instant as Cash App, and we all get the love. Talk to you soon. Keep donating, so let's go, let's grow.
Do not try and bend the spoon. That's impossible. Instead, only try to realize the truth.
What truth?
There is no spoon.
There is no spoon?
Then you'll see that it is not the spoon that bends. It is only yourself.